Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0TDI 150BHP. Elegance Automatic in sleek grey. With only 41.2 out of 4-tier kilometers on the odometer, this vehicle is practically new, packed with top-notch features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and safety features such as lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. This Tiguan has everything you need for a safe and comfortable drive. But that's not all. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Give us a call or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this incredible vehicle.